magic sound. Well, guys. Hello, coffee beans. I just got my second shipment. My first week of HelloFresh was a success. I don't remember what I ordered for this week, so I'm just gonna take a look.
Hi.
So,
I'm on a phone now.
and I remember my code, guys. I put it, if you didn't get it on the first video. When you try HelloFresh, you will get $40 off of your first week's shipment. So, and then the way it works, I don't think I really explained it a whole lot last week, but I felt kind of rushed last video. But the way it works is you go online, you can select your meals from 2 to 4. They have different categories that you can pick. I picked classic category. They've got other categories. Vegan, I think, was one of them. I'm not sure though. You gotta double check. But they have 3 different types of meals that you could order, and then you can choose your menu for every week up to 5 weeks. So I picked everything, which is why I don't remember what I got, because I literally picked out my 3 meals a week for 5 weeks. So, but anyway, and then if you don't decide that you don't want to have it shipped to you 1 week, you can skip a week, and obviously you don't get charged for it. Or you can skip however many weeks you want to skip, and then if you decide that you just don't want to do it anymore, then you can just cancel immediately. It's not complicated. So anyway, so that's kind of how it works. So let's see what's inside this box. Actually would prefer. Okay, so what do we got? This week we have balsamic fig chicken. That's sweet potatoes, I think. Yeah, with sweet potatoes and mixed greens. So that's going to be good. Rosemary crusted chicken thighs with roasted garlic, mashed potatoes, and roasted tomatoes. Info, nutritional stuff. And the pork al mojo with Cuban rice and black beans. So that's this week's menu. And now I kind of do remember picking that stuff out. It had to jar my memory. But anyway, so the code is below. The link, click the link to get your $40 off. And then actually, to be honest, guys, you can try it for that 1 week. And if you don't like it, cancel, and then you got $40 off and you got 3 meals. So, but anyway, they're not bad. And then when I cook stuff too, I don't add any ingredients to it, but I'm not just plain salt and pepper seasoner. I have to put my own kind of twist on the seasoning. I never follow recipes as far as seasoning goes. So, I have to put my own little twist on it, but it works. So, anywho. Yeah. Yeah, text message. Oh, I heard something, but why are you in your school clothes still? Go take them off, please.
I want a phone.
Take off your school clothes.
Can I get a phone?
Aaron had a really good game too. I didn't tell you guys about it. He scored 26 points. My boy. 26 points one game. But he's not feeling very good. Does he look like he's not feeling very good?
Come over here and touch my forehead.
I'm sorry?
Come over here and touch my forehead.
Why? You feel like you're getting a fever? His body is hurting. He's having aches and pains and stuff. So hopefully he's not getting flu or anything like that. We have managed this season to avoid the sick house. Everybody around me, my neighbors and stuff, they've been sick like multiple times. The kids, and then the parents, and then the kids again. It just seems like every week the same people are getting sick over and over and over. Nobody in my house has been sick this whole winter, so
You know why?
why?
Because we're awesome.
Yeah, well,
I'm not looking for fun.
yeah, we haven't really been sick. I don't get sick that often anyway, but that doesn't mean that I can't get sick, and I definitely don't want to get sick. And then another thing is we've got a crap load of snow on its way. So
Yeah, well, all the teachers in my school that I go to were saying that we have to do the projects we're going to do tomorrow today because we're supposed to get 5 to 10 inches of snow and schools might be canceled. That's what all.
okay, well, we've already got a few inches of snow out there. It's already freezing cold, so my Bible study for tomorrow afternoon is canceled also, so that because the snow is supposed to start tonight and go into the morning. Man, I wish they could cancel work because of snow, but I still got to work tomorrow night. They're not going to cancel work because of snow. There's no snow days at my job. So anyway, all right, well, let me get this food put away. Whoa. I don't know how cold it is out here. Guys, look at all this stinking snow. Ridiculous. And I gotta work tonight in this, guys. Predicting 12 to 15 inches of snow. Woo. And, oh, I'm gonna take my cold self back in. Just wanted to show you guys this. And it's not even done. I went to the grocery store yesterday. Am I still zoned in? No. I went to the grocery store yesterday to get some Smart Pop, or I think it's called Smart Popcorn. To get some Smart Popcorn because my sister was talking about it on the phone, and I love it because it's not, with my diet, I don't feel guilty. Like I'm eating garbage when I eat this, because it's only 140 calories for a cup and a half, and it doesn't taste like it's air popped. It tastes like regular caramel corn. I love caramel corn, and you don't sacrifice anything eating this. Anyway, yeah, I'm just trying to show you what it is I'm eating. But I went to the grocery store to get that, and when I got in the grocery store, the line was backed up, wrapped around every corner. All the registers were full. And I'm looking like, what the heck is going on? Why is the grocery store? The first problem was the parking lot. I couldn't find a parking space. How you like those? Are those good? They smell like they're spicy.
Well, a little bit.
They're chicken, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Chicken snackers. Oh, that's why. You're buffalo style chicken snackers. Anyway, food made me lose my train of thought. So I couldn't find a parking space, and I'm like, what is going on? Why is the parking lot so full? And while I was standing in line for half an hour in the express lane, it dawned on me, we're supposed to get 12 to 15 inches of snow. And everybody's at the grocery store buying everything today so that they don't have to go out tomorrow. And then I was thinking, oh, I would really hate if there was like a crisis or a state of emergency. Like looking at how this is, and this isn't even a state of emergency, and you couldn't get in the grocery store to get anything. I can only imagine how crazy it would be if there was ever an actual state of emergency here. With the way it looked yesterday, it was crazy to me. But anywho, so that's what I'm dealing with in Chicago right now. Hopefully the streets won't be too bad. It's only noon right now when I go to work tonight. And I I'll be able to drive halfway decently. It won't be too horrible. It's still going to be bad though. That's a lot of snow and it's still coming down. Like it doesn't look like it's letting up at all. But hopefully by tonight, it don't work till 11. So hopefully by tonight, that will be a thing of the past. So, all right. Well, I'm going to eat. I'm going to work out. I'm going to finish reading. I'm reading the book of Lamentations for my devotional today. I already listened to my podcast, but it's getting later in the day. So I want to eat. And right after I'm done eating, then I'm going to go read the book of Lamentations. And then I'm planning to exercise. I did my weightlifting yesterday. And I did my ab workout. Today is just regular, like cardio stuff, I guess you can call it. I don't label my exercise and I just work out. I just do whatever I want to do when I want to do it. I'm not going to be constrained by a strict schedule or anything like that. Otherwise, I won't stick to it. So anyway, I'm in month 2 and I am doing very good. So, and stuff like this is my backyard. Stuff like this that motivates you to just stay in the house, eat and exercise. Nothing else to do, right? All right, guys. I don't want this vlog to get away from me and be too long. So, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe below. Tell everybody you know. See you next video.